Good morning students. Today starts of design of column bases and structural design 2 and 6 semester. So the first one is starts on slab base. So chapter name is design of column bases. So the first one is slab base. What is slab base? First name is slab base. What is slab base? Slab base are of the reinforced concrete slab and simple base plate in the shown in figure. So the noted point the shown in the figure. Slab base is basically uses of the construction side of the work in flooring level and commercial and residential building purposes. So the a reinforced concrete slab base and simple base shown in figure. First one is slab base figure. And one is D and which one is the concrete layer earthwork excavation. So the footing of foundation level is each one is concrete level. And next one is so the layer is lower than the concrete level. So the which name is A. Suppose A and width of the footing layer and starts one flooring side. So the next one is column lower and slab base is the column lower end is welded to the steel base plate and steel base plate is known as the slab base plate. The first one is column lower end is welded to the base plate, slab base plate. And second one is grouting is done below the base plate. For major adjustment. And next one is anchor. Bolts heads are provided with the proper tightening agreements or not is knots. So different types of the sections are slab base. The first one is column lower end is welded to the slab base plate and grouting is done below the base plate and the surface area level. And third one is anchored bolt or development length. Anchor bolt or or development length. Development length. So the next one is design of simple slab base. So the next one is design of simple slab base. Simple slab base. So the simple slab base is designed to withstand the axial load, horizontal shear and the external moment is transmitted to the different several in foundation. The design of simple slab base is withstand the axial load, horizontal shear or external moment transmitted through the column and must be safely with the same of foundation. The design of simple slab base is basically uses of axial load, horizontal shear and or external moment transmitted to the column section and must be safely with the foundation. Foundation level is strong than the of axial load, horizontal shear and external moment. So the next one is first following different major designing consider. The followings are the major consider design consider. So the first one is size of base plate. First, size of base plate. The size of the base plate is processed on base concrete to within the limit. The limiting period is size of the concrete is the size of the base plate. For column carrying both axial load and moment of the bearing stress on the concrete is simple and size of the base plate. So the size of the base plate is the column carrying both axial load and moment bearing stress. So the W equal to P by AB plus minus M equal to ZB. So the equation is process where P equal to axial load on the column, M equal to bending moment transmitted column basis, and second one is A B equal to area of base. The area is BD for rectangular bases. It is B into D for rectangular bases. So the next one is ZB. ZB. ZB equal to section equal to BD square is 6 for rectangular. So if the rectangular section, if load eccentricity, if denoted load eccentricity E equal to m by p. So the above equation are W equal to p by bd plus 6m divided by bd square equal to p by bd 1 plus 6e by d. So the above equation is denoted load eccentricity. So the above equation W equal to P B by D for the rectangular section 6m by BD square, rectangular section double square. So the P by D into 1 plus 6e by D. So the equation of the following major design consider. First one is size of the base plate is completed. Today structural design 2 is completed.